Hey everyone, welcome back to Blender Express. Today, I'm going to show you how to move an object along a curve using follow path constraint. This is a super useful technique for animating paths, like a car driving on a road or a roller coaster ride. So, let's jump right into it. First, let's set up the scene. We need two things, an object to move and a curve to define its path. Here's how to do it. I already have my Armor Personnel Carrier or APC here. You can have any object that you want to move. Then, for a curve press Shift-A, go to Curved Path to add a curve. Now we have an object and a curve in our scene. Next, let's shape the curve to define the path for the object. Select the curve by clicking on it. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Use G to grab and move the control points of the curve. You can also use E to extrude new points if you want to extend the curve. Once you're happy with the shape of the curve, press Tab again to return to object mode. Remember, the curve is the path that your object will follow, so shape it however you need. Now, let's make the magic happen. Select the object, then go to the Object Constraint Properties tab on the right-hand side. Click Add Object Constraint and choose Follow Path. Under the Target field, select the curve we just created. Instantly, you'll notice the cube snaps to the curve. If it doesn't, please reset the location XYZ to 0. To animate the car along the curve, check the box labeled Animate Path. By default, Blender will use the curve's frame range to control the animation. Press spacebar to play the animation. The car smoothly follows the curve from start to finish. If you want the car to follow the curve, please check the Follow Curve box. The car will then move along the curve as if it were driving. To change the speed, go to the curve's properties. Select the curve, then open the Object Data Properties tab. Under Path Animation, you can adjust the frame start and frame end values. Shorter ranges make the object move faster, and longer ranges slow it down. Experiment to get the timing just right for your scene. Lastly, here's a bonus tip. If you're animating a vehicle, you can add a noise modifier to make the vehicle shake while it's moving. First, select the object and set a keyframe by pressing K and choose Rotation. Then, go to the Graph Editor. Press N to open the sidebar menu, select Modifier, and set it to Noise. You can adjust the values to suit your vehicle's motion on X and Y axis. Feel free to copy my settings if you like. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to move objects along a curve in Blender. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to know more about arrange object along curve, please click here right now.